Yep. So for Baja, I'll be riding the Crust Evasion. Wheels 26 by 2.8 tires. Bags, got some Ron's bags. First of all, quick thank you to my sister Leo, my brother-in-law Matt, Arya and Ron over at Ron's Bikes. Without them, I wouldn't have the tools to be traveling and doing this video right now. So I guess let's get into it. We'll start with the rear bag, what I'm packing for Baja. First of all, in the rear, I got the large Fabs chest. These two side pockets I'm keeping open for food, and the Crocs hang off on the side. Utilize some space, so these are just both empty. And then the back, just tuck in my sleeping pad between the seat post and the rear bag. So let's see what we got in the back. So first, got this Hyperlite Rainfly. I think it's the UltaMid 2, the pyramid one, the smaller one. Got a bladder for water. It's gonna be dry out there, 6 liters. And in this dry sack I have all my clothes, which I'll go over in a little bit. And then a pillow, one of the comforts that I need. And then tucked in the back we have tent pole for the center of the Rainfly. A Lezyne pump. Where's it? Lezyne ABS pen gauge. Some stakes for the Rainfly. I'm doing without the bug net this trip. I'm just gonna do a footprint, which is over in the front bag. Kind of save some space because I really needed some extra space to fit the water, and that's gonna be that bladder that I have. So I think hopefully it's a good trade-off. And then just some extra string. Gets windy, gotta hold down the Rainfly or something like that. And that's all in the rear bag. And then in terms of water, I have 3 48-ounce Nalgenes. One of these stem bags from Blue Lug. These things are awesome. Thank you to Blue Lug. They sent out this little sushi stem cap, which is awesome too. It's kind of fun to look at. And then this other pouch is just gonna hold stuff like the GoPro that I have in my head right now, my phone, snacks, whatever that I need kind of in quick reach. And then I got the 2 other 48 ounces right here, and then a 26-ounce bottle. I think these are 26, something like that. So that should be total, just with the Nalgenes in the bottle, I think that's 5 liters of water right there. And I have a 6 liter, the bladder that I have is 6 liters, so I think I should be good on the water front. And then in the front bag I have, let's see, I have this other Blue Lug little satchel that I thought I was gonna put on the saddle right here, but it's a little too tight, so I just use it as a way to compartmentalize some stuff. So I have like hygiene, stuff like that, my inhaler, and hygiene stuff in there, toothbrush, soap, deodorant, floss, toothpaste. And then on the front will be passport, wallet, money, stuff like that will go in there, smaller stuff. So I'll put that right there. And then I have this GoPro sack, which will have cables, 2 Anker batteries, extra GoPro batteries, a charging hub for the GoPro batteries. Oh, actually an extra charging pack right here, and then some outlets, adapters. So that's that. Close that up. Oh, that right there. And then a little phone tripod. I don't know if I want to set the phone up while we're setting up camp or something like that, take videos, whatever it may be. Bike lock, just in case we're in a city, you know, gotta lock up the bike. And this bag has all tools, emergency stuff for the bike. I'll go over this a little later. I'll take everything out and then you can see what's in there. And then the footprint from 6 Moon Designs. Got this from Keystone Bike Shop. Thank you guys, over in Philadelphia. They're awesome over there. Check them out if you're ever in the area or just order something online. Great people. And then my sleeping bag, 35 degree rated. Yeah, pack's pretty small. It's decent. Now let's see, what do we have on the sides right here? Here's some extra stuff. It's gonna be dry out there, so some lube. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to use that a bunch. AirTag. I'm just gonna have this mainly for the flight in my bike box. Make sure that doesn't get lost, or else the trip's gonna be a dud. And spare tube, just in case. And then on this side pocket, have just GoPro mounts, more tech stuff, some headlamp. It's probably where, that's about it that's in there right now, but probably have this head strap that I'm wearing right now in there, stuff like that. Quick access. And I guess, yeah, that's it right off the bat. I mean, I guess I'll show you guys inside a little more detail stuff. I could go over my clothes right now, actually. Let's do clothes. Right now I'm wearing a Cotopaxi raincoat, which I like. I'm gonna bring that just in case. This is just a button-up shirt, so short sleeve, extra. Let's see what we got. A beanie if it gets cold at night, keep the head warm. Some smart wool pants or leggings, whatever you want to call them. Spare shorts. So this is all stuff that I'm bringing aside from what I'm actually gonna be wearing while I'm riding. So this is all spare stuff. Theories, shorts, well, they wear pants, Dick's Sporting Goods socks, and this Patagonia puffer jacket, which I wish had a hood. I'll probably buy one eventually that has a hood. Make it a lot warmer at night. But yeah, I guess we'll go inside and then we'll look at what's in the tool bag, which is right there in that Cobra bag. All right, so then in this tool bag I was talking about, we have Crankbrothers multi-tool. Oh shit. So that's chain breaker, Allen keys, Torx, screwdriver, stuff like that. I gotta find that cap that went flying back there. Wrench, pretty lightweight, adjustable. I'm gonna need that maybe. Some pliers, extra straps, stuff like that. Spare dropout. Some Allen keys. more string, flint and steel right here. Needles, just in case there's sidewall tear, and then I have floss, so I would just use the floss. This wolf tooth tool that has screwdrivers, Allen keys, stuff like that. You kind of can't have enough of that, I would imagine. And then a little knife. It's pretty dull, but it'll do. Some tire sealant, extra Nanovo lace straps, zip ties, kind of a couple sizes in there just in case. Extra rack bolts and screws in here. You never know when you'll lose one. What else? Some quick links, an extra chain. Stand start plug. Some extra Presto valve. Some tire levers. Some electrical tape. Some patches. Some more patches, boots, patches. And what else? Extra derailleur hanger. And I think that's it. So that's pretty much like the bike first aid kit. And I didn't mention I had a regular first aid kit, which my friend Mike is bringing with him. So luckily we kind of have the two of us to split a little bit of gear. So I'm carrying the tools, he's carrying first aid kit just in case someone gets injured or something like that. But yeah, we're looking forward to it. Should be exciting. I guess that'll wrap this up.